325 horsepower, front-wheel drive only. That should not work, but somehow it does. The 2026 Golf GTI Edition 50 is Volkswagen's birthday gift to themselves. 50 years of GTI history, all packed into the most powerful production GTI ever built. And it just lapped the Nürburgring faster than any production Golf in history. Here's the thing. Most hot hatches with this much power send it to all four wheels. The Golf R does exactly that with 328 horsepower. This Edition 50 pumps 325 horsepower through the front wheels alone. That's asking for drama, torque steer, wheel spin, chaos. But Volkswagen's engineers pulled off something remarkable. The car uses a tuned 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. It's basically the Club Sport engine, but cranked up. 310 pound-feet of torque arrives low in the rev range. The power hits like a shove from behind. 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds. Top speed, 168 miles per hour. Numbers that rival cars with twice the driven wheels. Here's where it gets interesting. Volkswagen didn't just add power and call it special. They rebuilt the entire chassis philosophy. The car sits 15 millimeters lower than a standard GTI. Adaptive dampers come standard. The front differential lock has been retuned. Progressive steering sharpens every input. The result? A car that grips instead of spins. Professional racer Benjamin Leuchter took an Edition 50 with the optional performance package to the Nürburgring Nordschleife. He clocked 7 minutes 46.13 seconds, the fastest lap ever completed by a production Golf on that circuit. Let that sink in. A front-wheel drive hatchback, beating everything Volkswagen has ever built for the street, on the world's most demanding racetrack. Now here's the part that makes this truly special. The optional performance package adds 19-inch forged wheels that weigh just 17.6 pounds each. That's 6.6 pounds lighter per corner than standard. Semi-slick Bridgestone Potenza tires give race-level grip. An Akrapovic titanium exhaust sheds 24 pounds. The chassis drops another 5 millimeters. Front camber increases to -2 degrees. Total weight savings? About 66 pounds of fat gone. The interior keeps the GTI's tartan cloth seats. Racing green accents thread through the pattern. Red seatbelts. GTI 50 floor mats. A 12.9-inch touchscreen with a GPS lap timer built into the digital driver display. Because, of course, it has a lap timer. The exterior wears 19-inch Queenstown wheels with red glaze finish and dynamic center caps that stay visible even when spinning. Matrix LED headlights come standard. The roof is painted black. The classic red GTI stripe runs across the grille. 5 colors available, but 2 are Edition 50 exclusives: dark moss green metallic and tornado red. Now let's talk money. In Switzerland, this starts at 56,700 Swiss francs. That's about $63,500 USD equivalent. The performance package adds another 3,500 francs. For context, the Golf R costs less. The standard GTI costs roughly 17,000 francs less. You're paying Golf R money for a front-wheel drive car. But here's why that might actually make sense. This isn't just more powerful than the R, it's sharper, more focused, more connected. The front drive layout forces precision. You can't lean on all-wheel drive grip to fix sloppy inputs. Every steering correction matters. Every throttle application demands respect. It's the most analog-feeling hot hatch Volkswagen makes. And that matters more than you think. Production starts end of 2025. Deliveries hit Europe first quarter 2026. But here's the catch. It's Europe only. No North America, no Canada. Volkswagen says the price would exceed the Golf R in those markets. They're probably right. So, yeah, this car breaks the rules. And speaking of rule breakers, next time we're diving into something that costs luxury money but shouldn't make sense on paper, you'll want to see how they pulled that off. Drop a comment if you'd actually spend Golf R money on this front drive monster. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.